What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be working the IS300 as always. So basically these tires are the wrong tires. These tires are the wrong tires that go on this car, and it looks stupid because why? I'm not a stance boy. Not yet anyways, but the tires on here is not the tires that I wanted to go on here originally. I just had to put it on because if you guys remember from the drift event, we didn't have the right spare wheel, so we had to use tires from that shitty spare wheel that didn't fit, and then we had to put it on these in order to get home. So I'm gonna go to the tire shop and get the right tires mounted on. It's a size bigger, wider. Instead of 205, or wait, no, that's 215. Instead of 215, it's 225s, and I'm gonna swap those out, put it on here, and then we're gonna get two bronze wheels, the P45s, and then we're gonna try and test fit both of them in the back with that tire. So I'm gonna try and stretch a 215 onto a 9.5 inch. Hopefully the tire shop lets me do it. I go to them all the time. JP Auto Glass in Vancouver, Washington. Let's see if they can do it. So after that, we're gonna test fit it and go from there. So stay tuned guys. Check this out. So this is a cheap impact gun. It's a 1/2 inch impact gun. It's electric, it's battery powered, and I got it off Amazon for super cheap. For if you guys are out there who want a budget, it's actually pretty decent. I'll put the link down below so you guys can check it out. And yeah, if you haven't gotten one already, well, click the freaking link. Let's get it, boys. So I don't actually need these wheels. They're the wrong fitment. They're like BMW fitment or Subaru, I think. So I'm gonna take this tire. It's like really good condition, and have them take it off, put it on this side. The other side already has that same size tire. They're right here, Westlake's 225 40s, and it looks a lot better as far as fitment. However, I might even take it after I get the bronze wheels fixed. I might even take these tires off and throw it on the back, but for now we're gonna have to run those. All right, got the truck loaded up. There it is. Let's see if they can do it. Should be able to. It's an 18 inch tire on an 18 inch wheel. It's not that big of a stretch. This truck's loud AF, bro. Straight piped. Love it. Straight fucking rowdy. I like being loud in my truck and driving around and being a tool, you know? At the tire shop. All right, guys, we got the two tires, the two Rotas mounted with the hand-cooked tires. Now I got to throw them on the car, and we'll see how far the fitment is. I enjoy the look, however, I'm not willing to, you know, sacrifice my driving and comfort for that, but I do like proper like race car fitment with the meaty tires. That for me looks really clean, so I was trying to shoot for that. But these wheels are nice. I got them for cheap. I want to make it work. The only way they will fit to how I want without doing any body work or fender work, and without cutting my fenders and going wide just at the moment, is by stretching those tires. So yeah, I mean, let's hope it works. I'm not a huge fan of stretch wheels. I prefer like race car fitment, and I'm not into the stance scene, to be honest, guys. But a lot of people are doing it, and you know, if more power to you if you guys like that style. It is clean, but I'm not trying to go as low as I can without scraping. And for me, like being static and slammed is not really my thing. Yeah, it looks dope, it's cool, but like that's show car status for me. I daily the car a lot, and like with where I live, the roads aren't always the best. I'm gonna get the other wheel welded for the fronts, and it's gonna take about a week out because they have to get a welder out there, weld it, and then get it all structured up, because usually when a wheel is cracked, it's because it probably hit something and bent it. So they have to weld it and then get it restructured. And then yeah, after that I can get tires for the front ones and get them mounted, and then we should be rolling with the bronze ones. So pretty stoked about that, guys. We're gonna head home right now, so stay tuned and let's get it. Hell no, I think I hear a front wheel bearing about to go out in this truck. Shit, I don't even have a jack high enough for this. Got the tires, wheels, all good. Damn, this shit looks clean on camera. Boom. That's stretchy boys. Lift it truck. Ooh, I almost ate shit. Gotta check if it's directional, figure out which side these go on. Be careful when you guys check your tires. Directional tires, let's say it's directional. I'll point the direction on when it's supposed to rotate. That's usually perfect. So right there, as you guys can see, it says rotation. So the rotation should be going this way, and that's the side you figure out how to put it on. Sometimes it's not good to do the opposite, because the way these are designed or made for your wheels to rotate in that direction. I actually don't know what I'm talking about, but I just know if it says rotational, figure out which side it goes on. It's supposed to roll forward, and don't fuck that up. So these wheels are actually kind of nice. They're growing on me. At first I didn't like them, but these are the Vorsteon IS300, guys. If you guys are wondering what wheels those are, I know I get that in the comments a lot, but they're the Vorsteon IS300, so keep that in mind. Fuck these wheels, I don't want them. Tire, whatever. All right, guys, so this is where we're at. We lowered the car, the wheels are on, and there's quite a bit of clearance right here, which means that I need to lower the car about an inch in order to get the fitment I want. However, it's going to be a lot lower than the front, so that's the problem right now. Is if I lower the back that low, the front's not going to be as low, and the front is as low as I want it to go, or else it's going to scrape with the fenders. So basically, I'd have to get the other bronze wheels to lower it all at once to all be leveled. Look at this car. That shit is sick. That was a Camry. What the fucking big wing. Jesus. All right, guys, it's not that bad. I did want to lower it a little bit more, but for now, we'll do. I'm not gonna stay with this look. It's just temporarily, but yeah, that's it. I'll do an update soon once I get the other wheels ready to go. But for now, guys, I'll see you later. Peace out. See you in the next one. Hey guys, so here's my thoughts on these wheels. They are wider, obviously. The offset's wider, and the handle's a lot better. It's more planted. I like the wider setup, so that's a freaking plus. So yeah, I'm here at the Asian market right now getting some Asian sauce, if you know what I mean. So yeah.